Hey YouTube, Donovan here again. Today I'm gonna go and check and see how these eggs are doing today. Actually, um, I know the mothers around here somewhere flying around. Don't want to make seem like I'm disturbing, but I'm gonna have to see because we need to use our car, but we don't know what's going on here. So let's take a look and see what's going on. Still, I can tell that she's been here several times. The eggs have been moving around. Yeah, still five there. They haven't asked yet. We don't know. Seems like somebody else is using our car more than how we can use our own car now. But for now, I'm gonna leave it alone and come back and see what's going on. All right, Egg Watch Day 2. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.